Hello and welcome to another video of Computer Science Basics, CS Basics. Today we are going to learn how to create an attractive and beautiful table in MS Excel. Here you can see when you will open the Excel sheet, it will look like this. You have number of columns and rows here. You can start the column names from here or here, anywhere of your choice. I want to start my columns from here. I'm selecting. You can select a number of columns as much as you want, selecting these columns because I don't want much number of columns for my table, so I'm selecting from here up till here. Okay, you can add borders to your table from left, top border, bottom border only. I'm using all borders in order to differentiate my table from the background because I want my background to be a little different. That's why. Okay, now I am going to add my column names. Let's say we are going to add, okay, let's say take this week. Here you can see that is conflict the value that you've added reaching to the next cell. To solve this issue, you can merge these two cells by using this function merge in center. So merge these two cells and create a center value, but I don't want this to create in my table. That's why I am choosing up till here. Okay, now we can change the column width of our table from here, format function. Column width, change column width to 15. Let's say 15 or 20, let's say. Okay, 20 is a little wider, so we'll take 15 only. Now, if you want individual widths to be changed for your column, you can choose individual column and change column width. Any width of your choice. Okay, column widths have been changed. Now if you want your rows to be a little different, you can change row height and any value that you want your rows to be. Okay, I want 25. So here you can see the text that we added has reached to the bottom. If you don't want it like this, you can select this the center or the top. I want it to be in the center. And if you want your text to be left aligned, you can use this. If you want to be center, you can use this. If you want it to be right aligned, you can use this. I want to be centrally aligned, so I'm using this. You can bold the text that you've added in italic, underline, or even double underline, but I'm not using any of these because I'm going to change the style of my text. You can also change different styles from here. I'm using this, and you can change the size of your text too. But I'm not going to change it because it's already been changed. Okay, so now here you can also change the color of your text from here. You can add any color of your choice, and here you can change the cell color. I'm going to select different color for my cells, so I'm going to select the color from here. Okay, let's take this color. You can see the black color doesn't go right text color, so we are changing the text color to white. Okay, now we can change the other rows of our table to any color of your choice that we want. Let's choose another color from here for our rows. Okay, you can choose any color of your choice that you want for your table. Okay, I'm using this. The colors have changed. Okay, now you can change the color of your background, your other rows. You can select any color of your choice. I'm using black because I want to create a black background look for my table. Using the black background, you can choose a different color if you want. You see the color has changed. It says already created a very different look. Okay, so now you can change, you can add different symbols or text, or even in the illustration box you can see that you can add 3D models, you can add smart art, screenshot, icons and pictures. But I want to add some shapes, so I'm choosing this shape for my creating a small boundary around my table. You see there is a boundary created around my table, but yes, our table has been hidden, so we will change this to from fill to no fill. It will show our table. Okay, no fill. And then we can also change the outline to our choice. I'm going to change it like this. Okay, so and we also can, okay, using this. Now you can add color, or you can add outline color to be a little different for your table. I'm using it to be this color because of my table, but I choose the top color, the same color I choose for the shape. Okay, now I'm going to give it a title. Here you can use the same function, merge and center. You can write a title for your table. Let's give it a title as monthly payment record. Okay, so I'm going to use the same style for the text that I chose for my table, and it's a little bold. Okay, you see where it's created. Now you can use different techniques to write title around your table. Okay, I'm going to use central. Okay, you see you can write record, and you can, it is also should be centrally aligned. Okay, or you can write it like this. You can write it like this. Let's give it a different color. Then you can use this. Use bold for all the columns. You can use a different font for it too if you want, or any font of your choice that you want. If you want this, you can use this too. Okay, you see it's already given a different look to your table. So this way you can create multiple tables in your Excel sheet. You can use different shapes, you can use any 3D art, you can use any color of your choice to create background and to create column colors. So this is all today's video. If you want more videos on Excel sheet or PowerPoint, you can inform me in the comments. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Computer Science Basics. Thank you.